Oh yeah!
Hey everybody, another question that you could be tested over during the Revit Certified User Exam is how to create a component stair. So what they're going to do maybe is have like an area that you're going to put your stair. So they'll have where you want to start your stair run, and then the second stair run will start at number 2, let's say. So they'll tell you what type of stair to use, what the base levels, where the base level is going to be, where the top level is going to be. If there's any base or top offsets, they'll probably tell you what the actual run width is going to be, which is basically the width of the stairs. And then, so like I said, they'll tell you where to begin, where the second run begins, and then they'll probably, after you've completed your stair, to be able to make sure that you did it right, they'll have you dimension maybe the end of the stair to a wall, just to make sure that you did it correctly. So what you want to do to create your stair here is you're going to go up to Architecture, click on Stair, and then this is where up here is where you make sure you set all your settings to what they're asking for. So if I know I'm going to start my stair here and go up, then I'm going to be working off this wall here. So my stair is going to go to the right of where I'm choosing. So I want to make sure that that's going to be the run is on the left. And it could start you off in the center. Just make sure you check the run on the left, or whichever way they're asking you to. And then your offset is going to be 0. The actual run width, they tell you that's going to be 3 feet. The base level is 1, top level is 2. And then make sure that your stair type is what they're asking for here. So this one is. And then so to begin your stair, I'm going to click at the intersection where this kind of hidden line meets the wall. I'm going to drag it up. So it says the first run has 8 risers. So as you drag it up, it'll tell you how many risers you have created. So 6, 7, 8. Once you've created your 8 risers, then just left click. And then, so how do you get it over to here? So that always threw me off. So what you do is just move your cursor, your mouse, your pointer, whatever you want to call it, over on this intersection here at 2, and then just drag it down. So you can drag it all the way down. You can go way past what you need. Just make sure that you drag it down straight, and then just left click your mouse, and it's going to finish out the number of risers that you need. And then once you have that completed, I'm going to hit the check mark under the mode here, the mode green check mark to finish it. And then it's going to probably ask you, okay, what is the dimension from the end of the stair to this wall here? So you could go up to your annotate, click your align dimension, click the end of the stair, click the face of this wall. And so in this case, that distance is 6 feet. Now it's probably not going to be 6 feet on the test. It may be some random number, but just kind of make sure you dimension what they're asking you to. And then just type it in the answer box and move on to the next one. So I hope that helped. All right, peace out.